I want to know, ooh, I want to know, yeah. What are you gonna do when I'm gone? Whose shoulder are you gonna cry on? What are you gonna do on the day when I turn my head and just walk away? Now, what are you gonna say to your friends when the talk around town begins? Will you tell them how you treated me bad? And will you tell them how you made me so sad? Oh, baby, 'cause you make some people think that you love me a lot. I've seen that kind of man, but they don't know what you see. Alright, baby. Baby, isn't what we've got? Whoa, we're happy in the public's eye. They think you're such a wonderful guy, but they don't know how much you lied. Oh, and they don't know how much you made me cry. You're a real Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Yeah, Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Oh, you make a pass at every girl that you see. Go ahead, don't make a pass. Then when they hurt you pretty badly, then you come crying back to me. I comfort you wherever you go, and I don't have a place that you can go. Put your head on my shoulder and cry. Then you turn around and lie. Oh, I don't know why you lie. I don't know. I just can't take it. I've got to make it. What we are gonna do when I'm gone? You can be alone if you want to. I just want to tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm going out in the public's eye. Alright. Oh, I'm telling you about this wonderful guy. He hurts the woman when he's alone, and he makes her feel like she's not home. What are you gonna do, pretty baby, when I'm gone? Oh, what are you going to do when I'm gone? Hey, oh, what are you gonna do when I'm gone? Who faces are you gonna cry on? I don't mind just telling you I'm going, baby. Yes, I'm gonna leave you like you're crazy. I don't need no headache from no man like you. Punched in the eye, bloody nose, and a torso too. I want to know what are you gonna do when I'm gone? Whose shoulder are you gonna cry on? Oh, baby, don't you know I'm gone? Alright. What are you going to do when I am gone? You gonna cry on someone else's shoulder? Yeah. Tell them that you're sorry for hurting them. I don't care what nobody says. A man that hit a woman to me is dead. Yeah. I don't care if you're tall or short, skinny or fat. You better keep your hands where they're at. Oh, what are you gonna do when I'm gone? Whose shoulders are you gonna cry on? What are you going to do on the day when I turn my head and walk away? Yeah. What are you going to do, pretty baby? What are you going to do when I'm gone? Leave me alone, that's what you gonna do. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. The next time a man put his hands on me, I'm gonna let his soul be free. I'm telling you, what are you going to do? You gonna find someone that you can beat up on too. What are you going to do when I'm gone? Whose shoulders are you gonna cry on? What are you going to do on the day when I just turn my head and walk away. What are you gonna do? Yeah. What are you going to do, pretty baby? Yeah. What are you gonna do, pretty baby? What are you gonna do when I am gone? Oh, you're gonna leave. Yeah. All right. You're gonna leave me alone. Oh, yeah. You're going to go about your business, baby. All right. Raise your hands up out in the wind like crazy, but don't you ever raise your hand to me. I'm not like the other women you see. What are you gonna do when I'm gone, pretty baby? Who are you gonna try to hit on? And I mean, what are you gonna do when I am gone? What are you gonna do when I'm gone? What are you gonna do, baby? All right. What are you going to do when I am gone? Whose shoulders are you gonna cry on? You're gonna wave your hand to somebody else, but believe me, Facebook would know, 'cause I'm gonna put it on the shelf. You like to hit your women when they're down, thinking that just where you're trolling is wrong. You can't control nobody, let me tell you, baby. Raise your hand, go ahead and act like you crazy. What are you gonna do when I am gone? You're gonna be sadly alone, 'cause what are you gonna do, pretty baby? What are you going to do, pretty baby? Oh, what are you going to do when I'm gone? Whose shoulder are you gonna cry on? I don't care, not mine. Get on down, get on down. Anybody that hit a woman is not a man. Black in the eyes and all that stuff. I'm a man, lift his hand to hit a woman, he's not good. Alright, let him go, pretty baby, if you want to live. 'Cause this is the thing he don't do. You don't raise your hand up unless you're hey, let me tell you something. Let's take this stuff. You get away from that fool. He don't mind kicking your behind. Get away from it.